Ba Yah, my Lord, Kum Ba Yah. Oh Lord, Kum Ba Yah. We're back under the old oak tree again today, which means that only one thing, it's song time again. And today we're learning a campfire classic, Kum Ba Yah. Sounds great both played slowly and fast. And we're going to learn it today using, of course, the Banjo Adventures Simply Song method, which makes learning new tunes take minutes instead of months, you know. I'll just get a little bit comfy on this rock hard stone wall. So a lot of fun to play. If you've never used the Simply Songs tab before, it's very easy to learn. You'll see 5 lines here. Each line represents your banjo string. String 5, 4, 3, 2, and string number 1. All the notes will appear within these rectangles. I call them measures. Everyone calls them measures, not just me. Some people call them bars. We're going to call them measures. So all the notes will appear in the rectangles. There are only ever 2 types of notes on a Simply Songs tab to keep things nice and simple. You've got single quarter notes, which sound like this. And we've got bum ditty notes, which sound like this. The quarter notes have vertical lines on them, called wicks. And the bum ditty notes don't have wicks. So obviously you need to be fairly confident with your basic freeling strum. So the chords for this song are going to be obviously standard open G. I'm going to be holding a D7 chord, which looks like that. And a C chord, which looks like that. G, D7, C. Just those 3 chords to play this tune. Okay, Kum Ba Yah, let's have a look at it. So first of all, we're going to start off with a couple of quarter notes, followed by some bum ditty action. So the quarter notes are played open on the middle and second string, and a bum ditty on the first string. Okay. And then on the second measure, we're going to bum ditty on the first and middle strings. All together. Kum Ba Yah, my Lord. Into a C chord on the first string. Kum Ba. Release the C chord. Yah. So we're going to play a C chord on the first string. Bum ditty. Release. Bum ditty open. And then the second and third strings again. Bum ditty. Kum Ba Yah. The third line down is a copy of line number 1, so a little bit of repetition there. Kum Ba Yah, my Lord. And now we're going to play some more quarter notes. We're going to fret the second string at the first fret. Once, release that. Play the same string again. And then we're going to play a D7 chord on the middle string. And then we're going to hit the 4th string and then the 3rd string. All together. Kum Ba Yah. So the first page all together. Kum Ba Yah, my Lord. Kum Ba Yah. Kum Ba Yah, my Lord. Kum Ba Yah. Let's move on to the second page. If you're liking this style of tab already, it's nice, easy, simple to use. I've got a full growing collection of these tabs, and this one's available too at banjoadventures.com/tabs. Let's keep going. Again, we've got another repeat of the first line. Kum Ba Yah, my Lord. Second line, still a repeat. Kum Ba Yah. And then obviously the final line has to trip us up slightly. So we're going to do some quick chord changes here. We're going to go from a C to a G to a D7 to a G. So I'm holding the C chord. We're going to play a bum ditty on the second string. Release that, play 2 quarter notes on the second and third strings. Fret the D7, middle string, bum ditty. Release that, play a open G on the middle string. Oh Lord, Kum Ba Yah. Okay, let's do that page all together. Kum Ba Yah, my Lord, Kum Ba Yah. Oh Lord, Kum Ba Yah. Now, if you wanted to banjoify that song, you could add the odd hammer on here and there. Kum Ba Yah, my Lord, Kum Ba Yah. See what I did there? Just playing the hammer onto the chord. You could do that on the D7 part as well. Oh Lord, Kum Ba Yah. Another cool little trick to do is when you've got these quarter notes, you could add some double thumb technique where you alternate between the quarter note and the thumb. So you could play a if you're into your drop thumbing as well, whenever you're coming sort of down the G scales, so you know on the first line where you go Kum Ba Yah, my Lord, then you go down back from that first string back down to the middle string. Instead of just going, you could play a drop thumb pattern like that. Kum Ba Yah, my Lord, Kum Ba Yah. Kum Ba Yah, my Lord, Kum Ba Yah. Something like that. There's loads of different sort of techniques you could use to spice it up a little bit. But you know the basics of the song now, so you can just take that away with you and experiment and put another song, add another one to your repertoire. So yeah, if you enjoyed that, be sure to subscribe, and you can join me on the next one, because I'm going to be posting a lot more of these song tutorials for the rest of this year. So yeah, join me on the next one.